Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious tempura shrimp. First, let's get our shrimp ready. You'll want about 16 to 20 count shrimp, peeled and deveined. Make a few small cuts on the underside of each shrimp to help them stay straight during frying. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready to go is key for a smooth cooking process. This initial preparation ensures your tempura turns out perfectly crispy and straight every time. The secret to light and crispy tempura lies in the batter. You'll need 1 cup of tempura flour and 3/4 cup of very cold water, preferably ice water. Gently combine these ingredients, mixing just enough to incorporate them. It's perfectly fine, even desirable, to have a few lumps in your batter. This helps create that signature airy texture. Overmixing develops gluten, which makes the tempura chewy instead of crisp, so resist the urge to whisk it smooth. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of a neutral oil, such as vegetable or canola, in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each prepared shrimp into your cold batter, letting any excess drip away. Fry the shrimp in small batches to avoid overcrowding the pot, which can lower the oil temperature. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Once your tempura shrimp are perfectly golden and crispy, transfer them to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. This step is crucial for maintaining their crispness. Serve them immediately with a traditional tentsuyu dipping sauce or your favorite alternative. Tempura is truly best enjoyed fresh and hot, so don't delay. You can also expand your meal by frying various vegetables alongside the shrimp for a delightful and authentic tempura experience. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.